The hypnagogic state, a powerful tool for entrepreneurial success. Have you ever noticed those in between moments when you're not quite awake, but not fully asleep either? It's like being in a dreamy haze where your thoughts seem to flow more freely and your imagination feels sharper. That state, my friends, is called the hypnagogic state, and it happens twice a day. Once as you're drifting off to sleep, and again as you're waking up. Now, what if I told you that those brief moments are one of the most powerful opportunities you have as an entrepreneur? What if you could use them to program your mind for success, unlock creative solutions, and visualize your goals so vividly that they start to feel inevitable? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. What is the hypnagogic state? Let's start by understanding what the hypnagogic state really is. It's that transitional phase between being awake and asleep where your brain shifts gears. Normally, during the day, your brain operates on beta waves, fast and focused, perfect for getting things done. But as you relax and prepare for sleep, your brain slows down to alpha waves and even theta waves. This slower state is magical. It's when the conscious mind, the critical analytical part, begins to relax and the subconscious mind takes the stage. Think of it like the gates to your inner workshop opening up. In this state, you have direct access to the part of your brain that controls your habits, beliefs, and deepest creative ideas. Dosakshoha proportionism. Why should this matter to you as an entrepreneur? Because success isn't just about strategy and hard work, it's about mindset. And the hypnagogic state gives you a shortcut to shaping your mindset in powerful ways. Here's why. First, it's a time when you can visualize your goals so vividly that your brain starts to believe they're already happening. And when your brain believes something, it looks for ways to make it true. Second, it's a period of heightened creativity. Some of history's greatest minds, like Thomas Edison and Salvador Dali, used this state to spark breakthroughs. Edison, for example, would hold a steel ball as he drifted off, and when it dropped, he'd wake up and capture the ideas that had just come to him. Finally, it's a chance to reprogram your subconscious. Your subconscious beliefs shape your actions. So if you're constantly telling yourself you'll fail, guess what? You're likely to find ways to prove yourself right. But during the hypnagogic state, you can replace those limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Practical steps to harness the hypnagogic state. All right, now let's get practical. How can you actually use this state to move closer to your goals? I've got some actionable steps for you, and they're easy enough to start today. Step 1, the evening ritual. Prime your mind before sleep. The first opportunity to access the hypnagogic state is at night, just before you fall asleep. Here's how to make the most of it. Create a calm environment. Make your bedroom a sanctuary, dim the lights, put away your phone, and let your mind settle. Set a clear intention. Take out a notebook or journal and write down one specific goal or affirmation. For example, I am attracting my dream clients and growing my business effortlessly. Visualize vividly. As you close your eyes, create a mental movie of your success. Picture yourself reaching that goal. See it in detail. What are you doing? Who's there? What's happening around you? Engage all your senses. What does it smell like, sound like, feel like? Focus on feelings. The secret sauce is emotion. How does it feel to have achieved this goal? Excitement, confidence, relief. Let yourself experience those feelings as if it's already happened. Step 2, the morning reset. Leverage your waking transition. Your second chance to access the hypnagogic state is in the morning. Most of us rush past this moment. We grab our phones, dive into emails, and jolt ourselves out of this state. But what if instead you used those precious minutes to set the tone for your day? Here's how. Resist the phone. Don't let notifications pull you into reactive mode. Give yourself at minimum 5 to 10 minutes. before looking at a screen, preferably much longer. Practice gratitude. Think of 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as big as landing a new client or as simple as having a cozy bed. Gratitude shifts your mindset toward abundance. Replay your visualization. Remember the mental movie you created the night before. Play it again in your mind. Reinforce that vision of success and feel those same emotions. Use affirmations, speak empowering statements out loud or in your mind. Today, I'm attracting opportunities that align with my goals. Affirmations are like instructions for your subconscious. It listens and it acts. The science behind it, why this works. Now, you might be wondering, why does this work? It all comes down to how your brain operates. When you visualize a goal, your brain creates new neural pathways as if that goal is already happening. It's called neural priming, and it trains your brain to notice opportunities and take actions aligned with your vision. On top of that, when you pair your visualization with strong emotions like excitement or gratitude, it locks those images into your subconscious. This is because the subconscious learns best through repetition and emotion. By consistently focusing on what you want, you're essentially reprogramming your mind for success. Bonus techniques to supercharge the hypnagogic state. Now, if you're ready to take this to the next level, here are a few bonus techniques. The thought anchor. Hold an object like a notebook or a crystal as you focus on your goal. Over time, that object becomes a physical reminder of your intentions. Mind Movies app. Use an app or a journal to create a vision board you can mentally watch during the hypnagogic state. Seeing your goals as if they're already real primes your brain for action. Wake back to bed method. Set an alarm 90 minutes before your usual wake up time. Spend 10 minutes visualizing your goals, then go back to sleep. This technique amplifies your access to theta brainwaves. A final thought: consistency is key. Here's the thing: the hypnagogic state is like a doorway. It's open for just a few moments each day. But if you walk through that door consistently, even for just a few minutes at a time, the results will start to show up in your life and business. Remember, this isn't about magic. It's about using the natural rhythms of your brain to work smarter. Success starts in the mind, and the hypnagogic state is your backstage pass to your subconscious. So tonight, when you lie down, don't let those precious moments slip by. Prime your mind, visualize your goals, feel the success you're working toward, and tomorrow morning, do it all again. Little by little, those moments will compound, shaping not just your day, but your entire future. This is your time, your state of possibility. Use it wisely. You've got this. Dream it, believe it, achieve it.